Hey guys, we're from Queenstown Secondary School and we're here to teach you about the Bornean flat-headed frog from Borneo. Now the interesting thing about this frog is that it has no lungs, which makes it very sensitive to water. This means that it can only survive in very specific conditions, such as when the water has very high oxygen concentration. It lives in rainforests in shallow streams where the water flows very fast and is very cold, meaning that it has high oxygen concentration. Now, it's very elusive and not much is known about it, but we do know that it's slowly becoming endangered and it might go extinct one day. This is because it's suffering from habitat loss. Due to gold mining and deforestation, the Bornean flat-headed frog is slowly losing its habitat. Gold mining ruins the water quality and decreases the oxygen concentration in the water, and deforestation straight up destroys its habitat. Without a proper habitat, soon it will go extinct and we won't have any more of these majestic, rare creatures to see anymore. So, I think that we as the youth should try and raise awareness of this with our friends. Donate to organizations. Done.